Hey folks, okay, so a few people over the years have asked me, how do you load a tricycle tractor, or a narrow front tractor, onto a trailer with two ramps? Well, it's pretty simple. I'm going to put my camera on the tripod in the sky and show you exactly how here.
All right, so it's pretty simple. Basically, you want to get yourself lined up maybe a 30 to 45 degree angle from the trailer. It doesn't have to be anything too wild. I've seen people come at it from 90 degrees and it's a little bit of a wild ride to get themselves turned and on. But basically, you just come at it from about a 45 degree angle here, and you run your front wheels up the far ramp, and then as soon as you're up, you crank it to the left, get yourself centered, and drive onto the rest of the trailer. It's just as easy as it looks. It's a little intimidating the first time that you try it, but trust it, as long as you get those wheels back over to the center of the trailer, your back tires will follow up the ramps. You gotta keep your eyes on everything. Don't take my word for it. Watch your wheels, make sure that you're following up, and do it slow. Slow is the key. And yeah,
There you go. Simple as that. Now make sure you tie her down good. Until next time, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.